differentiate y equals e to the power minus 5x. If I look at my rules, these are the rules I know, and I don't have e to the power x. What I have in the place of x is another function. Now, I'm going to take you back to previously when we started with differentiation. If I said y equals, let's say x squared plus 3x, I could say that the derivative of y equals, and I just say 2 goes to the front, 2x plus 3. However, if we said that y equals x squared plus 3x to the power 3, we had a function of a function, which means we had the chain rule. And then we could have used the chain rule and say let this equal u, or what we've done is we said we do the inside and then the outside. So if we did the outside inside, as we said, that thing to the power 3 equals that thing, the 3 goes to the front, and then that becomes 1 less. Right, so we applied this rule, and then we multiplied by the derivative of the thing inside. So we multiplied by the derivative of this thing inside. So outside first and then inside, which became 2x plus 3. So this whole thing became 3 times 2x plus 3 times x squared plus 3x squared. So instead of using the whole chain rule, we did it this way. What we're going to have here is the same type of thing. We're going to have y equals e to the power minus 5x. Now I'm going to show you the chain rule, but what we have is that we say outside first. Okay, so we're going to say the derivative of y equals e to the power something stays e to the power something, but then we're going to multiply by the derivative of that something. And the derivative of that something, the derivative of minus 5x, is negative 5. Okay, and that will give us then negative 5 e to the power minus 5x. So that's the shortcut. The long cut, and I'm just going to do the long cut underneath here, is by saying the following. If I have, let's use another color, let's use pink, that's the long color. Y equals e to the power minus 5x. I say I want to get this into this form. So to do that, I'm going to make negative 5xu. So I'm going to say let u equal minus 5x. Okay, then if this thing is minus 5x, then y will equal e to the power u. Now I can say, what is dy in terms of u? What is dy du? And e to the power u stays e to the power u. What is du dx? Du in terms of x, the change in x in terms of u. The change in u in terms of x. Then the derivative of that is minus 5. Now to find dy dx, I'm going to say dy dx, and I have to write the step, is dy du multiplied by du dx. Okay, because those cancel, and I have dy dx. And what is that? That is minus 5 multiplied by e to the power u. I need to have it in terms of x, not u. And what is u? U is negative 5x, so it's minus 5 e to the power minus 5x. And you can see I have exactly, I ran out of space, I have exactly the same answer. Minus 5 e to the power negative 5x, negative 5 e to the power negative 5x. Take your time, watch this video again if you're not sure. Most of the time, I'm not going to do this part. We're just going to use the inside-outside rule. If you want to, you can use the chain rule. If you're going to uni, some universities do ask you to do the long cut, not the short cut.